This website is called eslvideo.com. It's quite an old site, but it's still updated. A lot of the material on this website has been made by English teachers for students. So when you arrive on this website, ignore all the things at the top and just let's scroll down a little bit, okay, to this right-hand menu bar here, and you have the different levels, so starting at beginner, going to advanced, and then you have grammar. If you click on this little down arrow, there you have different kinds of grammar, so lots of tenses practice. You might want to focus on this. And then you have categories. Again, if you're interested in a particular category, maybe this will be better for you. Let's look at food and cooking. Okay, click on it. And you have a selection of videos. You will see that they have the title and then underneath the level. Okay, so if we go down, you have some beginning but easier stuff. Let's go down to how to cook a perfect risotto. So let's click on this. And first we have on the right hand side you have some questions, and then on the left hand side you have the video. Here you also have the transcript. It depends if you want to listen to read this. Maybe I would suggest to do this at the end. Now up to you how you do this. Either you watch the video once all the way through, or you read the questions first, okay, and then we can play the video. So let's play the video.
Risotto is such a beloved dish, but it can come off as daunting and complicated if you don't follow a few important rules. We're going to break down the steps it takes to make an
So you'll see that the video isn't very long. Most of the videos are not long, okay? It's a mixture of documentaries and how-to videos and cartoons and things like that. On the right-hand side, we have the questions. So I'm just going to randomly fill in the questions, okay, just to show you what happens. So let's just do a random selection. Okay, and be patient. All right, so let's just see how we did. 43%. Okay, now you don't have to worry about this this part, but it all shows me that I got 43%, 3 out of 7, and then underneath it shows you the answers. Okay, the good and the bad. So what you should do, you should perhaps go through the video again and just check to see why you got the answers wrong. At this stage, you could actually click on the transcript. It gives you the words for the text, for the speech. Okay, and when you're done, perhaps you can go back to choosing another video. Unfortunately, you do have to hit the back button, or you can go back to ESL video here, and then you can choose another video.